Okay, I'm going to making the Genotal scallop today. I have about 12 pieces scallop and some lettuce. And for the scallops, I put pinch of salt and the white pepper and mix. And I set it on the side. Okay, for the batter, I use 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and about 1/3 cup of water. So I slowly put it in it. Okay, I set it on the side. For the sauce, I use about a half cup of water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of hot pepper crust. So I'm going to put all the sauce in it. Some sugar, and you mix. And I set it on the side. I use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, I set it on the side, I leave it like that. And I need to turn on the heat first in here. Okay, then I'm going to deep fry the scallop first. And I put all the scallop in it. And you deep fry until you see the golden brown. Okay, that looks good, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, then I'm going to make the sauce. I'm going to put the cornstarch with water in it. That's good. I'm going to put it in. There you go. Okay. I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, that's I have today the General Tao scallop.